Hey guys, this is Jadirah Sarmad. Welcome back to my crazy channel. So, ready to glow to the heavens above? Well, in order to get that perfect summer glow, I'm sure you might have heard that you should try on liquid highlighters, cream highlighters, and sure, they are really pretty, but again, nobody wants to look greasy in this scorching weather. So, in order to prevent that, we'll try something different today. But first, let us prep our face with a highlighter. So, I'm using my Mario Badescu facial spray just to give me a dewy finish before I go in with my highlighter. So the highlighter that we're using today is from LA Splash, and this is known as their Hydro Highlighter Drops. I've got the shade KESHI, which is a beautiful shade of light gold, and this is a gel to powder highlighter, which means that it would still give you that lit from within kind of look, but it would not make you feel greasy at all. I know this is quite blinding and it looks a lot at the moment, but you can definitely tone it down if you want to. I was going for the disco ball look because I'm here to glow when it's summertime. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm just basically highlighting all the high points of my face. So I did my cheeks, I did the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead, and then most importantly, we will highlight our brow bone and also our inner corners. Now I feel a lot of people do miss these two out, but you know what, if you're really looking for that summer glow, these two are very important and they complete your look. They make a difference. So yeah, definitely don't forget these two areas. They're super important. This highlighter has very fine glitter particles which look so beautiful when they catch the light, and they're super duper fine, so you don't have to worry about them looking chunky or bad. Now that amount of glow is certainly a lot on its own, but if you want to amp up the look and if you want your highlight to last longer, then you can definitely go in with a powder highlighter on top. So the one I'm using today is this Lumos palette. This is also from LA Splash, and this is brand new, like it's not even out yet, but it's here available in Pakistan. So I'm just going to wet my highlight brush and I'll just build it up a little bit. So I'm going in with the shade Illuminate, and I'll just hit the same points. Now in order to melt all of that highlight together and make her look more flawless and subtle, I just misted my face with the same facial spray, and you can just wait for it to set. I added my lashes, my lipstick, and you can see how beautiful it looks. So that's it. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.